nowhere.
Around it.
Like,
Build it, they will come.
not a river, it's a park.
I suppose that technically that's kind of
Look, there's the old bridge. There's the water.
It's so many pies.
Itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face, you get sprung. Wanna pull up, cause you notice that button was stuck. Even the jeans she's wearing, I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get way down.
Look at that water. Isn't it darling? Why is that roof so triangular? I love how the tree is taller than it. Let me adjust though. Isn't it pretty? Oh, the car looks like it's not so bad.
Coming up after the news, I'm going to leave you with Betty Ray's Maybe You Reckon These Guys Today. This is on my
Isn't
own.
it beautiful?
Happy on your birthday. See you. Bye.
Oh, this must be Triple J.
Great work.
Day by day by day.
Check the rear seat.
The plane carrying.
What the fuck? Where did you guys come from?
No matter what costume you're wearing, if you're an adult jumping out and scaring people, I think it was coming, you might be
Rostered off for the night.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Because
people, you know,
but
it goes like, well, when you're working a casual job and you get a putt
around, he'll harsh the vibe.
What?
Oh my god, you can. Kind of smells like licorice, but kind of like salt.
So when you're inside and it's like liquid in the air. It's
Wow. You just get like sugar high
so
on.
that massive, so where it comes in and it burns where they're boiling it, there's this massive pile as high as that shed
Yeah.
of sugar. And you're just sitting there just going, holy fuck. It was just
That's really cool.
isn't it? Up with sugar.
Wow. That's so cool. Oh, look, there's cute little rocks down there.
Oh, it smells.
Can you imagine taking a photo there? You're on the bridge. My lord.
This is where all my cousins were just This is where I got my love of trade hills.
Probably.
Project. Your best friends who you'll do anything for. Could be fun. Scalpel making, dude. I just
I think you're pretty careful. Christopher, move. You're ruining the aesthetic.
There's a chicken.
Scared it.
And then the pretty sky. What is it? A Ponciana?
Ponciana pig.
I was like seeing them and going, and I'm like,
Long reach.
yeah, there's big one in Long Reach. But like they're all in flower today, and I was like, oh, that's a, and then here you go, Uncle Vic's pulled one down. Oh, you want that one down?
No,
That one
I was
over
just
here.
holding it in. Ta-da! pretty.
And then we're going up
This
here
is
to the
cool.
pink orchid. You coming?
We just took photos of the Ponciano.
Quickly before the ants get me.
We're taking a video.
Look, the wallabies are here. Look,
Oh, yes.
3 of them.
They're so little.
Can you see with yours?
Yeah, just
Let me see.
kind of. It's a bit blurry.
It's better than mine.
Lime and soda and rum, lime and soda and... What the hell? You've had this here all your life, John.
I feel like. Look at it. It's that cool.
So aesthetic.
Far out. That tree was never that big, was it? I don't remember.
Can you
these
imagine
trees being
sitting on that branch
The
there?
first time we came
in
up,
like
it
a
was
big
just
dress?
after your first. We came and we saw the red cedar tree just before. Oh yeah.
He's over 12 months. A little guy for them. We've got to pull them down.
Don't scare them. Don't make them work. You gotta come this side to see into them.
You can see their little.
That's a torture chair.
Not don't go all the way back. I don't want to.
Hang on, stop.
I'm too small. Oh, that makes no sense. I kind of feel like a convict. Oh, God. Stop. I'm not going to do... Don't mess with it much. That's enough.
Have we asked Granny if
I'll
that's
just
actually stable and
No,
doesn't kill people?
no.
We'll find out in the
Your
next
head's
one.
supposed to be another foot up.
You're too short. Oh, but if we tip you up there and do that way, surely you'll stretch and then you'll be long.
Yeah, I'll be taller.
Then you'll be
Swing
taller.
around. Do loop,
Not me.
Christopher. Oh, you're not right up. Oh, that's boring. I thought you should do the whole flip.
Upside down like Batman.
My back still hasn't elongated yet.
My back hasn't elongated yet. Okay.
He's a bit short already.
Very rapidly. Was that as far?
He told me to look at their flowers. Aren't they pretty? Beautiful. These are apparently orchids. And then apparently there's some yellow ones, but I don't know where they are. We go on your adventure. They're not there. Oh, there they are. I went to the pink ones, but I didn't see the yellow ones. Yes, thank you, Christopher. Yeah, I got them ones. I just forgot about the yellow ones that are just there. I walked past them.
Keep pounding a rhythm to the brain.
Nice when you do too. That can be caused.
Poke it again, Mum. It's so cool.
Yeah, go to that one.
daddy little things. What are they? Are they tadpoles? They kind of look like tadpoles.
You've got to make a booking, and it's like, I'm trying.
No wonder people don't do it.
I should lick it.
There's a hole in it.
It's leaking. You should pour it upside, tip it upside down and put it in your mouth and tell me what it tastes like.
Tastes like salt water.
Oh.
It is salt water.
To you, whoever you are, we wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Oh my God. Come on, hurry up. We're going to sing. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
That's not
to
working, it just didn't work at
you.
all. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Dear Mummy.
Happy birthday
To
to
you.
you.
Hey!
Hello.
I don't think that's going to fix by driving it.
Dude, just give up.
Just leave her. She's fucked. Oh no, look, it's clearing.
It stopped.
Oh no, it might have coughed that bit out.
Oh, maybe they did fix
Oh,
it.
maybe it fixed it.
Ah,
Just
nah.
send it again.
There it is again.
Just send her. It'll be right. It'll clear the pipes in a second and you'll be right. Go down the hill. Now, hang on, watch the sign.
Might stop working is because the owners at the time didn't keep up with wide maintenance. So when our current owners took over many years ago, this building who bought this land and established the park. The story I want to tell you today is about an impressive guy named Jose Carinella. So Jose was born in 1987. He was the youngest of 6 children and was born into a working class family. Growing up, Jose spent a lot of So this used to be the entrance to Carinella Park. You may or may not have seen the curved signing. When you walked in here and looked up at the stage, what you'd be looking at was a projected mural of the castle on the wall. The stage was decorated with red velvet curtains and gold trim. The floor was black beam polished timber boards, and down the side, the windows were framed with blue velvet drapes and gold trim. So no
That also ran part of the journey. Every time up here, I think I'm open. So this one was here when she was incy.
Oh, right. So you've done the tour.
Make sure that I don't get anyone else.
47 steps down in Georgia. Wow. Oh, Georgia. These are steep.
You can tell the cane cutters back then were thicker, weren't you?
Not bad.
Jeez, you wouldn't be able to change in there, hey mum? You'd be like, nope.
See, I thought they would have just had a thing where the ladies would pay the guys to take up in the swimming. You can't wear your uniform, you have to take it off.
Absolutely.
So you've got to go right to the middle and look through the sea.
grilling before they're down, so keep it perfect to the tropical heat, and they enjoy the evening. These trees go up to 300 plus years old, and they have big, thick trunks. Does anyone know what? Most of the things in this park that Jose's designed, there's always another element to it. So if you came down Lovers Lane, which kind of runs opposite this, through the back, through the bamboo forest and walk straight up this way, all eyes lead towards that. Months later that Jose passed away, his stomach cancer was only 60 years old. The following year, 1949, his daughter Teresa moved to Brisbane because she married a guy named Eno Girotti. She didn't have much to do with the park for many years after that. This left the park in the hands of Margaret.
And a photo of a dragonfly in a book. It was Lex's favourite reading book at the time. And so that's the one. No, I want to push better for. You can go that way. You can go that way. You can go that way.
Liam will find his way back. He always does.
Go back down, don't they? So you go around the back and you go at the top. We'll go one way, then we'll go the other way. Because I remember these.
Are we allowed to go up there? No. But there's nothing wrong with it.
Secret garden. Yeah. So he named it after his daughter when she was your age.
And they're like swing skirts, so you wouldn't even fit.
I'll just go let me.
Trying to get someone to record me going across the thingy, but nobody will, so I'm just gonna do it my fucking self. Because we're self-sufficient. Something just moved in there and that was very creepy. Doing my own bloody way. They're stressing me out, dude. And this weather is not for me. Okay. It's very pretty, ready? Very gorgeous. Very amazing. I probably won't even go across all the way. It's too much work. Where's the queen? Ew, there's stairs. Not the bad things, fingers. Block it, block it, block it, block it. Lock it in your pocket. Weather. Beautiful. Next one. Okay, on the bridge. Woohoo, let's go.
I'll try the heart.
Wait.
Kind of tastes like dark chocolate.
Shame.
They have like,
No, they don't. The heart one is like a caramel ketchup.
yeah, it does.
It does.
Hazelnut. I'm on the hot ones. Plane has been delayed. Waiting. It's going to be a while.
Be reminded that smoking of any kind is not permitted on the aircraft, including the...
So I'll still be on the bus tomorrow.